I mentioned, my neighbor also has a C7Z06. All right, y'all, so it's neighborhood clean day. So we got the neighbor over there doing the clean. Got the clean on the Supra right there. And I got the neighbor's really, really awesome convertible. That's torch red, right? Torch red?
Yeah.
Yeah, torch red convertible C7Z06, guys. All right, so on one side we have the Supra, guys. On the other side we have the C7 Corvette. Now, obviously, I do have both cars. I don't have this in convertible, though. I do like the convertible look. What you guys picking, the Supra or the Vet? All right, guys, so we are out here with the Supra. As you guys saw the detail work getting done. This is the best detailer in all of the Pacific Northwest. So my man, tell him, who exactly are you?
So hi everyone, this is Ali Chafan, and my business name is A King Mobile Auto Detailing. So I've been doing detailing for almost, I started in 2019, so it's been almost like 4 years. I do exterior, I do paint correction, I do paint touch-up. We offer many services. And for example, if someone wants only the interior, the back seat, their leather, their cloth, they want to shampoo or extract them, we also do that. You guys want to book your appointment? The phone number is 971-344-8555. And I appreciate my brother here helping me to promote, and yeah.
All right, y'all, this angle is probably my favorite angle on the Supra so far. We still have some more stuff being done on the Supra. We're gonna get some front stuff work, some new parts going in, got the hood going. I guess so many things coming very, very soon to the channel. You know what's kind of weird? On video, it looks like the hood does not match the front bumper, but in person, I promise you that white looks exactly the same. I don't know how it comes off that way. It could just be maybe the reflection of the white, but this white is definitely the same white. It just looks like that. So I know some people have mentioned that my hood doesn't match the front bumper, but I don't know what to say. It's just funny, it looks like that, because in person this is super white. It looks like it's almost gray, like that looks white and that looks like a different color, but these definitely match perfectly. Welcome back, heroes. This is Christian back in another video just for all of you guys. We are in the house and this is amazing Sayber Designs front lip. Shout out to the team over at Sayber Designs. Really excited to get this on. The best looking front lip that you guys can get for your Supras. You know, I've had the Maxton Designs one, but this is the one I've always wanted to get. One more time, shout out to Caleb over at Sayber Designs. We also have the Canards that we're going to be going ahead and putting on. These are AutoTecknic Canards. So we got the front lip and the Canard. Well, shout out to AutoTecknic as well. We got the lip in, we got the Canards in. The Supra is looking extra clean. Shout out to the homie one more time for doing that amazing detail work. Damn, this thing is looking so good. Man, I'm so stoked. I love this car, y'all. I keep telling y'all, for the price, damn. We're getting the Canards in right here. We got new front lip. It's gonna be a much more aggressive front lip. I think that's gonna blend in very well with the carbon on the hood. Like I said, not too much carbon. You know, I got the carbon on the hood, but I really want to keep that nice white and black kind of accents going on for now. Damn, this is looking so clean. Man, the white with the red interior, I think that's one of the best combinations you guys can get for your Supra. All right, y'all, we're going back to PRE Racing. We're gonna go ahead and get this lip installed with everything else, like I said. Man, this fits actually pretty perfect right there. I like how that fits. Take a look at some of these builds. That big massive turbo in here in the Subaru. Subi. Y'all miss a Subi on the channel or what? The full race spec Subaru right here. On my crutches, so I can't move too fast. Let me show y'all. Damn, this is clean. Got the sequential in there. Damn, look at this race spec Man, this is definitely goals right here for full-on race. Full cage, Barco Evo seat. Yo, if you only got a turbo like this, damn. Hood exit, the meaty tires. It is a soupy fest over here. Hit up PRE Racing for any type of installs you guys might want on your cars, especially if you have a Subaru. Damn. Woo! Shout out to homie Caleb and Sayber Designs. This front lip is absolutely mean, really nice. And shout out to AutoTecknica for their Canards as well. It really just cleans up the front. I really think the carbon now on the lip and the Canards with the hood and just the black and white accents is just absolutely the perfect touch to do on your Supras for sure. I still have a lot more stuff coming for the car. Still on my crutches. Sorry I'm not able to move around as much as I definitely would like to, but man, it just looks so aggressive now. Canards are really aggressive with the front lip. Really like having the EVS paint match fenders. I think it just all flows very well with the lines of the car. I think this is great to where it's not too much, but just enough on the car. Shout out to all the Subi guys out there. I know you guys miss having a Subaru on the channel, but we are still around a bunch of Subarus at the shop. But man, that just looks fantastic. I keep saying it, y'all. If you're looking for an amazing $50,000 car to get into and do some modifications or really just take it to the next level, this is definitely going to be the car that you guys are going to want to definitely do that with. Here's the front. Really like this lip. It's just a lot bigger, thicker, beefier, and just more aggressive than the Maxton one. The Maxton one comes out decently far right here, but it's just a lot more skinnier. Here it's just wide all the way, but just the lines that are on the splitter, just the subtle lines in the splitter right here that just follows the lines of the car. Caleb and Sayber Designs did a fantastic just job of creating this. You can really see how the front lip matches the front of the car, and then that swoosh right there, and then the overall thing right there as well with the line and then the curve. Man, it just comes out perfect. Shout out one more time to Caleb at Sayber Designs. You absolutely crushed it with these lips. You absolutely made an amazing lip, and I am so glad to be able to rock it for you.